Hey guys, welcome back. This is the second episode. I was going to take you guys on a tour of my collection, but I decided not to because it is really messy. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple cool things that I ran into since the last episode, which was the first episode. So basically I could show you guys anything. But today I got this in. I found it out the Walmart here. It's a Datsun Hauler. I've been looking for this. It has a 510 in it. It's a Mack truck. So we're gonna open this up. I think it's gonna be really cool. I'm not a huge fan of these haulers. I think they're alright. I got a few of them, and yeah, but I'm not like, you know, dying to get any of them besides this one because it's really clean. And it says Datsun on it, so it's gonna look really good. But before we open it up, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of the cars that I picked up. I believe this is a 70s Skyline. This was what was this? Was this a? Let me see. This is an M2. Yeah, this is an M2. So that's the opening hood. Pretty cool. Looks pretty clean. Tail light on the back's a little screwy, but whatever. You know, it's not a TLV, so I guess it's all right. The front's good. Looks good. So this is a green light one. One of those torque ones. The headlights on the other one look better. This one doesn't look bad. It's just painted in. Everything else is definitely better on this one. A little bit messed up on the taillight on that side, but not as bad as the M2. So this one also has an opening hood. Okay, it's going to be a little bit of a bead open right now, so we'll just leave it. Alright, this is a TLV, and you guys can check it out. All the details are perfect. They're absolutely perfect. That's why it costs like a lot more, you know. I don't think this thing has opening nothing. It's just like bam, that's it. That's what you get, and it's really good. Let's have a look at the front end of this one again. Look at that, real headlights, spot for your license plate. Man. All right, this is just another green light. Just a red one. I believe one's a year older than the other. I still can't really tell, besides the color, why they're different. Anyways, this one has an opening hood too. Doesn't open as nice as the M2 there. Then I got this breed Datsun 510. It's kind of weird how you know, when you switch to a different brand, how it's like so different, so weird. But anyways, here's a Nissan Skyline. I'm gonna try these on the haulers, see which ones look better. Like this, they're both 164, but obviously one's more toyish looking and the other one's more realism. And then I got the 3 Sylvias. This is the S15, S14, right? And then an Atomica Premium. So at least I think this is a premium, S13. And I love this one. This S13 is definitely a fave. A fave. Alright, so let's clear this out. We'll clear this out right now. And put the hauler down on there. Alright, I probably need a screwdriver or whatever, but yeah, okay, so let's open this up. I haven't opened too many of these M2s, so not 100% sure what is involved, but probably nothing too tricky. Alright, let's do this. Gotta cut this, oops, there goes the box. Anyways, fuck the box. We're just gonna rip into it. Fuck saving the box. There you go. Fuck saving the box. I'm not here trying to save boxes here. What is this? You guys know what this is for? Well, this is probably for the, maybe for the hauler. I don't know. This one I don't really care. I got 2 of them, so I'll save the one, and then I'm just gonna open this one. Sorry, guys. I wanted to give you guys a good experience. The whole experience, sorry. I'm gonna give you guys a good experience, alright, but holy fuck. Oh, sorry. I'm trying not to swear because I think YouTube doesn't like that too much, and I get it because obviously, like, kids watch this shit too. There you go. Yeah, I broke the tabs right off that thing, so definitely it's going back in its case, but I don't freaking care. Alright, so the glass is off. The glass, the plastic casing is off, guys. Anyways, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good because it's really clean. It's simple, you know. Can't really screw something like that up. Anyways, let's get it out. All right. Let's see. Couple of screws. No big deal. Couple of screws. This won't take long, guys. This won't take long at all. Then we'll get to see this in action. I wonder what's holding that 510 there. 4 screws. And then the last one here. Bam! Alright, here we go. Probably one I didn't loosen enough. Oh, here comes the trailer. Here's a trailer piece. Alright. So you guys have a gander at that. While I work on the truck a little bit more. I didn't loosen up the middle one enough. There we go. Alright, that is done. I trashed that. Casing. There's the truck. Let's have a good look at the truck. It's a Mack truck. It's an old school Mack truck. Has that bulldog on the side there. It actually kind of reminded me of a Scratch, but it's a bulldog. There's no bed back here. That looks really real. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Not that I know these trucks well at all, but you know, whatever. Check out those rims. Check out those dualies in the back. Alright, let's check out this a little bit more. Alright, so this is the trailer. The international car. There's the Datsun. Let's see how it's held. Maybe, I think it's held in by this. So, we'll have a... Oh, no, that's not it. I'm like, it better not be. No, it's definitely held in by a post. This one and that one. Alright, so we'll unscrew that. And we'll get that Datsun out. Actually, you know what? We'll leave that Datsun in there. That's fine there. Let's just leave that sucker in there. We don't need to mess with that. Alright, let's try not to break anything. Anyways, let's load some of the cars up. Alright, guys? Let's load some of them up. Yeah, I think this is a ramp. But I'm not gonna put that on there right now. Let's just load some of these cars up. Alright. A couple of these Datsuns. How do these stay in there? They just gonna stay there? Alright. What else, guys? A couple of these guys. Oh, wait. I don't want to mess up my TLV here. Okay, cool. Actually, does this move? I don't know. But anyways, that's yeah, I got 4 cars in there. I could maybe squeeze one more, but 4 is pretty good. Let's take these ones off and then put one of these guys on here and see how that looks on there too. Yeah, that looks pretty good too. either one of those, well, it's the same scale, but either one of those brands is going to look pretty good. Yeah, I'm glad I got it. What do you guys think? You guys like it? I mean, like, if you're a JDM guy, you definitely want this. This is a pretty sweet way to kind of display it. I can see getting a nice simple glass case to go over it. Like, I mean, like, they give you one, right? They give you one, but it's tiny, right? Tiny, and it has their little branding on it. I hate that. So, but yeah, that's looks pretty good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like it. Obviously, comment. If you guys got something negative to say it. No big deal. But yeah, come watch me again. Next week, maybe. I don't know. Whenever I feel like making another video. Alright, guys. Peace out.